guys, we have a hammer with us and this coconut with us. So we are going to try to open up this coconut by using a hammer. So let's start. Trying to open it up, and we smack the top of the coconut with the hammer, and now the coconut milk is coming out of it. Coconut is successfully broken and all of the milk is out of it. Now we don't have to use any solid part of the coconut, we just need the milk part. So guys, we will continue after this. Now we'll use a strainer to pour all of this coconut milk inside this glass. So let's start. So guys, I have started preparing the strawberry colada, and the ingredients I have used are half a cup of sugar, 0.25 kg strawberry, 400 milliliter milk, and the glass I showed you earlier for coconut milk, I used that as well. So we are going to keep grinding all of these ingredients for a little while, and we will try to drink it in front of you. It's been blended, so make sure that all of these ingredients are blended properly. Okay, the strawberry colada is ready, and we will now test it out.
Strawberry Colada, very tasty.